Hello everybody, it is September 21st, 2024, and I'm out on Allen Lake today with another old motor. This one is 1965 McCulloch built Sears Ted Williams 7.5 low profile, based on the Fishing Scott. This thing is they're pretty unique little motors. A single screw transom clamp. There's the reverse lock. Got they're very short. It does have the baler like the old Scott Bail-O-Matic, and it's got a pretty small weedless prop on it. This one has got a exceptionally good hood that I don't want to be rough on it. Because they're pretty flimsy, and the fact that this one's still as good as it is a wonder. But anyway, I bought this motor at Constantine AOMCI meet this summer, and it is in as purchased condition. I have not been through it. Has good spark. I believe the carburetor could use a good cleaning. Water pump works. It seems to work okay as long as it's, these hang pretty deep in the water, so I think it'll be all right. But anyway, I'm going to give you a little run on this one and show you how it does. They're not super fast, but they're very compact, and they're a pretty unique motor, so glad I finally got a decent one in my collection. I'm going to try to get through this carburetor maybe over the winter, and next season give it another run after the thing has been cleaned. See if that makes any difference. It starts kind of hard, so I think that's part of my issue. It's warm now, so it should start up all right. All right, let's give it a run. Yeah, she fired right up then. I'm not sure if the fuel pump's working the best either. Kind of surges and acts like it's running out of fuel now and then. Gotta lock that reverse lock down. There's reverse. Back into forward. It's about 9.5 miles an hour. I can get 10 if I lean forward a little bit. So, not too bad. Again, 67.5 does all right. A good OMC 7.5 will do a little better, but yeah, these aren't bad. Fun little motor. Till next time, thanks for watching. Keep your prop out of the mud.